Hi my lovely beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you the slayage of this braided wig that was sent to me from braidsqueen.com. This is a 30-inch braided lace front wig, you guys. It comes with two side combs, a back comb, adjustable straps, adjustable hook, and y'all just check out the beauty of how immaculate these are. These cornrows? No, these are like twists. You get baby hairs and all that jazz. The packaging comes in a nice drawstring bag that I loved, along with your wig cap and some charms that you can use to decorate your wig if you want. Now guys, like, I completely struggled with this whole ball cap method installation. This is my first time doing the ball cap method and it was a struggle. I kid you not. To install this wig, it took an hour and a half because I was like watching tutorials. I was stressing out. Girl, it was not pretty. So you really don't have to do the ball cap method when wearing a braided wig, but what I realized that if you don't do this step, you're gonna more than likely be able to see the rim of your wig cap showing through the lace. So the ball cap method actually really helps with kind of hiding that line of demarcation. You're gonna see me in the next step applying foundation to the ball cap after I kind of like, you know, glued it down with my got to be glue spray. Guys, don't be like me. I'm using a $50 bottle of foundation. I don't know what I was thinking. Use your cheap ass like powder foundation from the drugstore, okay? Like, don't be like me. After doing this, I was like, girl, did you just do that? But right here you can see what I'm talking about. If the ball cap method isn't done, the lace is showing the cap, so you have to bring it forward as much as possible. And if you watch my videos, you know I struggle with my side hairline being so far down into my forehead. Lace front wigs just, they don't work for me all the time because right where my eyebrow end is, literally I have my natural baby hairs meeting with the end of my eyebrows. So yeah, wigs, the hairline of wigs always are a struggle for me, so I have to carry the side of the wig way forward so that it covers up my natural baby hairs. But luckily I had the ball cap method kind of hiding the side right there. So after gluing down the front, I realized that it was kind of a little long at the sides. At this part, I'm actually just cutting off one row of the twist so that my ear can actually be exposed. So if you buy this wig and you realize that it's a little bit too long, if your head is small like mine, then you just cut off a row of the twist and you're good to go, boo. I want to go ahead and mention that the lace is 13 by 5 and it's Swiss lace according to their website. This wig is for $119 and the link to purchases will be in the description bar below. They claim that this is a standard medium cap measuring 22.5 inches, but to me I really think that this wig was a little snug for my small head, and that's because of the elastic band that is sewn on the inside of the cap. So you guys, if your head is big, I would suggest you just go right on ahead and cut that elastic band that they have sewn on the inside of the wig off so that it can fit a little bit more comfortably on your mug. So after struggling, this is what the slayage is looking like. Yeah, tell me this doesn't look like I went and then got my hair cornrowed at the salon, sat down for like 6-8 hours getting this shit done. Tell me. I love this wig. I love what I'm showing you at the back here is that while it's not a full lace wig, the individual twist that they put at the back of the wig is pretty much concealed, so you don't have to worry about anybody clocking you if you, like, you know, sway your hair a certain way. And yeah, I'm just gonna be showing y'all some styles that you can use to have this wig looking all different levels of cute. But in the meantime, I am gonna ask y'all to just go ahead and click that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel. I do lots of hair reviews, bag reviews, and just affordable fashion, beauty, and lifestyle finds. If this is your first video, hi, my name is Anne and we're now besties. So you can go ahead and, you know, go in the description bar below to get all information you want on this wig. And yeah, I'm just gonna play some music and I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, love you guys, bye.